We are very lucky to have come today for the introduction. We were a little bit wondering which day to come, but today we have struck upon the very good introduction, and I was very impressed with the number of countries because we didn't expect what to see, we didn't know what to see, and the number of countries participating and the level of horsemanship as well as cultural activities. We haven't gone around yet, but we're going to be exploring a lot more. But at the moment, we're just really enjoying the level of comradeship, of how many cultures there are, very similar. But overall, we come from different parts of the country all around, but in Central Asia. But you actually have very similar roots, and this is demonstrated in how it's all been with the horses and with the instruments and the playing and the music, and somehow we all feel like one family.